want to show people what they can do with the seasonal food, use since the fruit, the roots and everything they have. That's why sustainability is so important for me. Hi, my name is Marta. I'm the creator and the owner of Marta. I started about 8 years ago on this plant-based food. 2 years later, I started to make workshops. My connection with Guest Circle just started, and the thing that I really wanted to show in the food that we are making is to use everything the season gave us, not to throw anything away, and to teach them how to make something, because I really believe if you don't put your hands on it, you're never going to try at home or try and change a little bit.
Hi, I'm Carolina. I'm a TV host here in Portugal and I'm a guest girl. I'm super excited for what's to come here. We're going to do a cooking workshop and then I'm going to have lunch with the girls. So have fun.
O tártaro é muito bom como entrada. As peras estão assadas. Vamos fazer o tártaro, empratamos tudo bonitinho e seguimos diretos para a mesa.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ruben and we are just making our lunch.
O que é que eu vos tentei mostrar aqui, mesmo para quem não gosta de tomate, é que às vezes, ou por ele estar cozinhado de uma maneira que vocês achavam que era só para fazer molho de tomate ou outra coisa qualquer, conseguimos ir buscar sabores só através de ervas e aproveitando um bocadinho de tudo.
Guess Ecodenim collection. Well, I'm a guy that loves white t-shirts. I'll choose like this one. And probably regarding jeans, I like to go for something that is not so dark. Probably something like this. Oh, pretty cool.
Hi, I'm Constanza and I'm really excited to be here on the guest event. My favorite piece is this one of the new collection.